Hey students, in this video we're going to talk about solving inequalities. So first we have 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 3. Before we start, make sure we know that this or this means simply less than or greater than. When you add a line under it, it means less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Which is why I said 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 3. So this might be intimidating, but we can just pretend that instead of an inequality, it's an equal sign. So now let's just solve this one-step algebraic expression. We'll add 3 on both sides. We'll get 2x equals 6 and divide by 2 to isolate x. So then we get x equals 3. Now this is not a final answer. Since this was originally an inequality, this one will also be, we have to change the equal sign to an inequality. Therefore, our answer is x is less than or equal to 3. Here is the next question. So we have minus 10x plus 2 equals, or is less than minus 18. So again, we'll isolate the x by subtracting 2 on both sides. And we get minus 10x is less than negative 20. Again, minus 10 divided by minus 10x equals, now whenever we divide by negative in an inequality, we always switch the sign, which is why, since we're dividing by negative 10, and this goes for multiplication as well, when we're dividing by 10, when we divide by a negative, we swap the sign. So now we have x is greater than 2, positive 2. Now we have a distribution part in this inequality. So first, let's start with distributing. Let's distribute the 4 to 8 to make 8y minus 4. And now we'll just copy the rest of the equation down. Now we'll simply isolate the variable x, minus 2y minus 2y. There's multiple ways you can isolate a variable. So we have 6y minus 4 is greater than negative 7, plus 4 on both sides. 6y is greater than negative 3, right? Divided by 6, y is greater than negative 1/2. Here is a challenge problem. How about you try to solve it and come back to this video? Okay, let's try to solve this together and see if you got the answer correct. Again, we're gonna isolate the variable v. We see that there are like terms on this side. Negative 7 minus negative 16 is negative 23. And we'll just copy the rest of this. We can subtract 2v on both sides. Add 23. And we'll get 34 is greater than 2v divided by 2, and we'll get 34 divided by 2, which is 17, is greater than v. That's a final answer. So hope this helped, and please make sure to like and